Max, that was the exact wrong second to start this video. You were pushing that thing like a champ. Can you get back up there and show everyone how awesome you were? There we go. There we go. I'm so proud of you. You're a world-class traveler, Max. There you go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hi. Where are you going? Are you going to go see your Nana? Your Nana and your Papa? Yeah. Here we go. Max, you come very far. Yeah. Good job. I'm so proud of you. Yeah. That's a pretty neat thing that your Grammy bought you, isn't it? Yeah. Max. Max, are you so big? Say, next stop, Vegas. Oh, you're gonna mix it up. Good job, Boo Boo. I'm very proud of you, Love Bug. Good job. You're gonna mix it up. Go on the other side. Good job. Uh-oh. Good job, Max. I'm very proud of you. Bye-bye, Max.